It's midnight. A group of paranormal investigators steps into the infamous Villisca Axe murder house, the place where 8 people were brutally killed in 1912. The air is tense, the house silent, except for the echoes of the past. One investigator walks alone into a dark room. Suddenly, strange noises surround him. Shadows move where there should be none. He calls out, but only silence answers. The team rushes in. They find him on the floor, a knife embedded in his chest. Panic erupts. How did this happen? The house seems alive, its dark presence pressing closer. Outside, he stands trembling, the night still and quiet. Behind him, barely visible, a shadow watches. The Villisca Axe murder house keeps its secrets and its visitors forever.